Pinangat na Isda. Ingredients: 500 grams, fish, cleaned. 10 pieces, Kamias. 1 teaspoon, whole peppercorn. 1 1/2 teaspoon, salt. 1 1/2 cup of water. 2 tomatoes. 1 pieces, Knorr Cube. Or 1 teaspoon MSG. Optional. Cooking procedure: arrange the fish, Kamias, and tomatoes in a wide cooking pot. Sprinkle whole peppercorn and salt, Knorr Cube, and then pour in water. Cover the cooking pot and turn on the heat to medium. Let boil. When the liquid starts to boil, adjust the heat to low. Continue cooking 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you for watching. Salmon steak. Ingredients: 5-6 ounces salmon steaks.